Marine protected areas offer a perfect adventure. They are places to explore and enjoy nature in and around the waters of Canada, Mexico, and the United States. A trip to the protected seashore of North Carolina's Outer Banks is more than a day at the beach. These pristine beaches are part of a marine protected area with rich cultural heritage and abundant wildlife. Mexico's marine protected areas are well-known destinations for snorkelers. Here, snorkelers explore colorful underwater gardens teeming with life. These areas are home to all kinds of plants and animals, big and small. An underwater museum at Cancun National Park helps restore and ease pressure on nearby reefs. It attracts visitors to an unusual day at the museum. The raw beauty of the Pacific Northwest is a stunning backdrop for boaters and kayakers. Off the rocky beaches, surfers from around the world brave the cold water to catch a wave. In the Great Lakes, divers can explore beautifully preserved shipwrecks. These relics are monuments to maritime history and are protected as important links to our past. Whatever you like to do, marine protected areas are perfect places to get away and connect with nature.